Shri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Very soon, Dasara is coming. Dasara is a festival celebrated in India. All over India, people celebrate. They burn effigy of Ravana. They worship weapons, Ayudha Puja. But why there is a Dasara? What is before Dasara? Dasahara. Dasahara became Dasara. Das means 10. 10-headed Ravana. Hara means killed. The day 10-headed Ravana was killed, it's called Dasahara. Haranam, Dasasiram, Yasya Saha, Dasara. Like that. How come the 10-headed Ravana, who was blessed in many different ways and under the care of Lord Shiva, was killed? How did Lord Rama come to know that Ravana is worshipping Durga for 9 days to become immutable so he cannot be killed? It is because Vibhishana, the pious brother of Ravana, but he was not with Ravana at that time, he was with Lord Rama. How did Vibhishana know what Ravana is doing inside his house, palace? Inside the palace. Big palace has so many doors all closed. He did not go to jungle to do worship Durga. Who worships Durga? Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna, ye chaiva sattvika bhava rajasas tamasascha ye. Dekha? How? There are 3 categories of people, they have 3 moods. Tamogunam, Rajogunam and Satogunam. Satogunam, Rajogunam, Tamo, goodness, passion and ignorance. So, Ravana being born in a Brahmin family, how come he worshipped Durga or Shiva? He became disciple of Shiva. How come? Damat, 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 ninadavar damar bayam, chakara chanda tandavam, tanu tuna sivasya, 10 heads. He was singing this song. Lord Shiva could not sit in Mount Kailash, came down and danced in front of him. Dhaga, 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 jwalat, lalata patta pavake, kishora chandra sekhare, rati pratikshanam mama. 10 heads he's singing. Lord Shiva could not maintain himself and he started dancing. That dance which he uses to annihilate this universe, that dance he used in front of Ravana. So Ravana was worshipping inside. How come hundreds of miles away, Vibhishana found out? It's a question. We must ask question everywhere. There were no telephones. How come he knew that? When Lankini, the presiding deity of Sri Lanka, found out that Ravana's brother is very pious, so she blessed him, saying that anything takes place in premises of Sri Lanka, you will know. That's how he came to know. So if his worship would have become successful, could not have been killed. So Hanuman went and destroyed. Why so many of other monkeys did not go? Because it is inside the palace. That's why Hanuman went. He was very disturbed and he came out and fought. This side demigods requested, Lord Ram, you have played enough. we cannot maintain anymore. Sages came and prayed to Lord Ram, please kill him. He was killed, story all of you know maybe. If not, then please apply. Then I will tell you everything about it in details, and questions I will ask. Possibly you will not know how to ask questions in this episode. 10-headed Ravana was shot with 11 arrows. There are Ekadas Rudras. Ekadas Rudra, 10 Rudra were blessed to have 10 heads. 11th Rudra was with Lord Rama as Hanuman. He suggested that he should be killed. Ravana drank nectar, but that nectar could not be digested because 11th Rudra did not let him digest that nectar. So it sat in his navel. So Vibhishan told him there is a nectar in his navel. How did he know? It is because Lankani's blessing. That's why we seek blessings. Those who receive blessings, there are 3 categories of blessings: goodness, passion, and ignorance. 3 categories of blessings. They are also all called material. But there is a spiritual blessings. We all seek blessings. Either devotee or non-devotee, we all seek blessings. So the blessings of Lankini worked, and Vibhishan suggested he got a nectar. So 11th arrow dried his nectar, and thus Ravana was dead. That is Dasara. Why do we worship weapons? Why we call it Dasara is only coming down like Haridwar has turned Haridwar, like that. So this way, Apabhransa in Sanskrit, it's called Apabhransa, but I don't know English. Apabhransa, Dasara. So we worship Lord Ram on that day and burn the effigy of Ravana on that day. That is Dasara. Devotees worship sometimes some demigods just to fulfill their desires to please Lord Krishna. When we know Krishna has been achieved or our goal is achieved, immediately we stop and carry on worshipping Lord Krishna. As the Katyayani worshippers of Gopika, when they got blessings from Lord Krishna, your desire is going to be fulfilled in 5 days, then they stopped worshipping Katyayani and worshipped Lord Krishna. That is the secret of devotees worship. Thank you very much.